Hi everyone, welcome to LINSKY. Today, we're going to introduce two very practical adjustable bar hangers, LT925 and LT926. First, let's look at the appearance. The LT925 looks more conventional and simple. Screws are driven inside the junction box to fix the junction box and the suspension rod together. In contrast, for the LT926, the junction box and the suspension rod are fixed with a pipe clamp outside the junction box. The suspension rod of the LT926 has 6 metal claws at both ends, while the suspension rod of the LT925 has flat ends. There are 2 holes at each end for driving screws. In terms of functional adjustment, the operation of LT925 is very simple. Lift it up like this and open it to the required length with an adjustment range of 16-24. Then, it can easily fit between the wall studs, and you can fix it with 4 screws. After that, just slide the junction box along the rail to the position where you want to install it. Now, let's take a look at LT920. First, we drill a hole and slide this hanger through the hole into the interior of the ceiling. Then rotate this bar. Look, as it rotates, the bar will extend and firmly embed into the outer wooden joist. Its adjustment range is also between 16 and 24. Next, insert the pipe clamp through the hole and put it over the rod. Align the holes at the bottom of the junction box with the screw holes of the pipe clamp, and then fix them in place by tightening the screws. In terms of load bearing, LT925 is suitable for general installation of ceiling lights and ceiling fans. It can bear a ceiling fan weight of 70 pounds and a lighting fixture weight ranging from 90 to 210 pounds. LT926 focuses more on solving the problem of firmly installing ceiling fans on existing ceilings it can bear. A ceiling fan weight ranging from 35 to 70 pounds, and a lighting fixture weight ranging from 50 to 110 pounds, making it especially suitable for some renovation projects. The load bearing capacity varies according to the adjustment range. The shorter the hanger, the heavier the equipment it can bear. In terms of selling, LT925 has a package of screws, which means you don't need to buy them for yourself. However, LT926 doesn't come with any accessories. Thanks for watching. More information about our products, please visit our website